Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make a walkie-talkie sound effect in Audacity. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application launches, you'll need to prepare your audio for editing. Double-click on the audio track to select all of it. This ensures that the effect you're about to apply will be applied to the entire audio file rather than just a portion of it. Now direct your attention to the top toolbar and click on Effect. This is where all of Audacity's audio manipulation tools are housed. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over EQ and Filters. This will reveal another submenu with various equalization options. Go ahead and select Filter Curve EQ from this submenu. This particular tool gives you precise control over the frequency spectrum of your audio, which is exactly what you need to create that distinctive walkie-talkie sound. Once the Filter Curve EQ window opens, look to the top left corner and click on Presets and Settings. This will give you access to a variety of pre-configured audio profiles that can save you a lot of time. When the menu appears, hover your mouse over Factory Presets to reveal Audacity's built-in effect templates. From this list, select Walkie Talkie. This preset automatically applies the characteristic frequency response that mimics how walkie-talkies compress and filter audio, giving it that recognizable tinny and compressed quality. Now it's time to fine-tune the effect to your liking. You'll notice a slider that controls the dB levels. Go ahead and lower the dB using this slider to adjust the intensity of the effect. Next, you'll want to manually adjust your graph for more precise control. Start by adjusting the first point to -36 dB, then adjust the second point to -36 dB as well. These adjustments help create that authentic walkie-talkie compression by cutting specific frequency ranges. Before committing to these changes, click Preview to test how your audio sounds with the effect applied. This lets you hear the result without permanently altering your audio file yet. Listen carefully to make sure the effect sounds the way you want it. If you're happy with how it sounds and the walkie-talkie effect has that authentic radio quality you're going for, click Apply. This will permanently apply the effect to your selected audio. Finally, to hear your finished work, click the play button in the upper left corner to preview the final result. And that's it! You've successfully created a walkie-talkie sound effect in Audacity, transforming your regular audio into that classic compressed radio communication sound. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.